In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to DocuSign and add contact details in an easy step-by-step process. Let's start with accessing the DocuSign platform. Open your web browser and head to the DocuSign website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. Now that you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you need to select My Preferences. This is where you can manage all your personal settings on DocuSign, from account details to contact information. After you click My Preferences, a new screen will appear. From the options on the left-hand side, go ahead and click on Contacts. This section allows you to organize and manage the contact details of the people you frequently interact with on DocuSign. Once you're in the Contacts section, look for a button that says Add Contact. Click on this and it will open up a form that you'll use to enter the new contact's details. Let's fill out the form together. Start with the name field. Type in the full name of the person you're adding. After you've done this, move on to the email address field. Type in the email address using correct formatting to avoid any surprises later on. Next, there's a field for entering the company name. This is especially useful when you're adding business contacts and want to keep things organized. Once you've added the company info, you'll see an option to add a phone number. Clicking on Add Phone Number gives you the flexibility to reach out via another communication channel if needed. This step is not mandatory but is recommended for comprehensive contact details. There's an option to mark this contact as a shared contact. By doing this, you're allowing others within your network to view and use this contact information, which can be very handy for collaborative projects. Remember, you can always change this setting later if you need to. Before you finalize everything, quickly review the details to ensure accuracy. Once confident, go ahead and click the Save button. Congratulations, you have successfully added a new contact to your DocuSign account. This feature makes it much easier to send documents quickly and efficiently later on. Feel free to repeat this process to add more contacts as necessary. Having all your contacts set up in advance can save you a lot of time and streamline your workflow. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has made managing your DocuSign contacts a breeze.